Imagine ending your day with a warm, comforting cup that actually works for you, calming your nervous system, nudging insulin to behave, and helping you wake up with steadier morning numbers. Tonight, we're building your bedtime ritual for diabetes. Simple, tasty drinks that support lower blood sugar and deeper sleep. Plus, the few you should avoid. You'll get easy recipes, exact timing, a 7-night rotation, and pro tips to stack the benefits without wrecking your teeth, stomach, or sleep. What makes a bedtime drink diabetes smart? Low or no added sugar won't spike you at night. Gentle on the stomach and teeth, will show how to dilute acids. Sip with a straw. And rinse. Calming or anti-inflammatory ingredients to support insulin sensitivity and sleep depth. Caffeine-free or decaf done right. And alcohol-free at night, bedtime, timing, sweet spot. Sip your drink 60 to 90 minutes before lights out so your body can absorb it without waking you for a 2 a.m. bathroom. Run the 8 best bedtime drinks for diabetes warm. Water with lemon, the simplest win. Hydration that doesn't raise glucose. Warm water improves comfort and circulation. Lemon adds vitamin C and gentle acidity that can support post-dinner digestion. How to make basic: 1 cup warm water juice of 1/2 lemon, tiny pinch black pepper, or a few torn holy basil tulsi. Leaves. Pro tips: use a straw and rinse your mouth afterward to protect enamel. Drink 90 minutes before bed if you're reflux-prone. Skip pepper if the flavor's too bold. Tulsi is naturally soothing. Decaf green tea with cardamom green tea. S-catechins support insulin function and metabolic health. Decaf keeps sleep safe. Cardamom adds a naturally sweet, calming aroma. How to make: simmer 2 to 3 lightly crushed cardamom pods in 1 cup water for 2 minutes. Pour over 1 decaf green tea bag. Steep 2 to 3 minutes and sip. Pro tip: stint over steep bitterness. If you're sensitive to any caffeine, keep this earlier in the evening. Apple cider vinegar. Tonic CV's acetic acid can blunt post-meal spikes and support insulin sensitivity. If you dilute and time it, how to make gentle start: 1 cup water, 1 to 2 teaspoons. A CV workup, slowly optional. A pinch cinnamon or a lemon slice. Pro tips: never drink straight. Use a straw and rinse your mouth. Stop 60 to 90 minutes before bed and don't add sugar or honey if you're on insulin or sulfonylureas. Monitor for lows. Ginger turmeric, TA soothing. Anti-inflammatory duo that plays well with glucose and digestion. How to make fresh 1-inch fresh ginger. Grated 1 teaspoon ground turmeric or 1/2 inch fresh to cups. Hot water optional. Squeeze of lemon. Steep 5 to 7 minutes. Strain and enjoy about an hour before bed. No fresh roots. Ginger tea or turmeric golden milk are fine, just avoid added sugars. Nutmeg almond milk unsweetened. Almond milk is low carb and light. Nutmeg is aromatic and traditionally soothing. How to make 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. Warm if you like. 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg. Freshly grated is best. Pro tips: allergic to nuts. Use unsweetened soy, hemp, or oat milk. Swap spices, fenugreek or cumin if you prefer savory notes. Unsweetened, skimmed hot chocolate milk. Comfort in a mug without the sugar bomb. Protein in milk slows absorption. Cocoa adds polyphenols. How to make 2 ways. Dairy, 1 cup lactose-free or low-fat. Milk plus 1 tablespoon unsweetened cocoa. Warm and whisk. Daddy-free. 1 cup unsweetened soy or almond milk plus 1 tablespoon cocoa. Pro tips: most commercial cocoa mixes are loaded with sugar. Skip M. Dairy contains natural lactose, approximately 12 grams cup. If that bumps your numbers, choose lactose-free or reduce the cherry juice. Unsweetened, naturally rich in melatonin and polyphenols. May support sleep quality. How to make it work. 1/2 cup unsweetened tart cherry juice pea. Cup water or sparkling water, dilute 1:1. Sip. 60 minutes before bed 2. Avoid overnight bathroom trips. Pro tips: no added sugar. Whole fruit and water are better if juice raises your glucose. Cinnamon chamomile tea. Chamomile helps your brain wind down. Cinnamon adds warmth and can aid insulin sensitivity. How to make steep chamomile tea for 5 minutes. Stir in 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. Citrus slice optional. Pro tips: ragweed allergy. Try lavender or spearmint instead of chamomile. Cinnamon is potent. Start small. The worst. Bedtime drinks for diabetes: sugary beverages, regular soda, sweet teas, fruit punch, energy drinks, sweetened smoothies, milkshakes, caffeinated drinks within 6 to 8 hours of bed. Coffee, strong tea, many sodas. Alcohol within 3 to 4 hours of bed cuts deep sleep and can cause rebound wake-ups. If you love a nightly ritual, switch to herbal or the drinks above your sleep, and A1C will thank you. Your 7-night bedtime rotation. Plug and play. Night 1, cinnamon chamomile. Night 2, decaf green tea with cardamom. Night 3, nutmeg almond milk. Night 4, ginger turmeric tea. Night 5, warm water with lemon tulsi optional. Night 6, unsweetened hot chocolate dairy-free if needed. Night 7, diluted tart cherry juice. Repeat. Or keep to favorites and rotate a third to prevent flavor fatigue. Exact timing, pairing, and safety timing. Finish your drink 60 to 90 minutes before lights out. Order if you had a higher carb dinner. Prioritize ACV, ginger turmeric, or cinnamon chamomile. Dental care, acidic drinks, lemon. ACV gives straw, then rinse with plain water. Brush 20 to 30 minutes later, not immediately. Stomach care, if reflux. Choose chamomile, almond, soy milk, or ginger. Avoid lemon. ACV close to bed, med interactions. ACV and cinnamon may enhance med effects. Ginger can increase bleeding risk at high doses. Chamomile can interact with some sedatives. If unsure, ask your clinician. Hypoglycemia watch. If you take insulin or pair your drink with a small protein nibble, for example. 2 to 3 TBSP Greek yogurt or a few almonds. Only if you're prone to overnight lows. Mini recipes. You'll actually use almond pepper nightcap. Warm water 1 cup. Juice of 1/2 lemon plus pinch black pepper. Sip slowly. Rinse mouth afterward. Soothing golden ginger 1 cup. Unsweetened soy milk plus 1/2 TSP. Turmeric plus P. TSP ginger plus whisk on low heat. Optional. 1 drop vanilla extract. Cardamom. Cloud 3 cardamom pods simmered to minutes. Gives. Pour over decaf green tea. Steep 2 to 3 minutes. Add a lemon strip if you like bright notes. Cocoa. Cozy 1 cup lactose-free milk or unsweetened almond. Soy plus 1 TBSP unsweetened cocoa. Whisk until silky. Top with cinnamon dust. Sleepy cherry spritz 1/2 cup tart cherry juice unsweetened. 1/2 cup cold water, sparkling. Add a squeeze of lime for balance. Bedtime habits that supercharge. These drinks 10-minute post-dinner walk. Lowers the glucose rise before bed. Dim the lights 1 hour before sleep. Screens on night mode. Cool, dark room. P-68 degrees Fahrenheit. P-20 degrees Celsius. Eat earlier. Aim for last meal 3 to 4 hours before bed. Veggies first at dinner. Slows the whole glucose curve through the evening. 30-day. Gentle Challenge Week 1. Swap your current nightcap for one of the 8 drinks. 5 nights. Week 2. Add the 10-minute post-dinner walk. For nights. Week 3. Move dinner 30 to 60 minutes earlier. 3 nights. Week 4. Lights down routine, dim lights, plus phone away for the last 45 minutes. 5 nights. Track. Bedtime. drink choice, wake-ups, morning glucose, and how rested you feel. Adjust to what your body loves. Conclusion: 1 cup, thoughtfully chosen, can set up your hormones, your nerves, and your sleep for a better tomorrow. Pick a favorite from this list, give it a week, and let your morning numbers and mood make the case. Small rituals, big results.